Monique Risker is incredibly a hypocrite feminist Zionist. She grieve, cry, preach repetitively to us about stop normalize rape of 7.
Perjuangan. Apakah para pahlawan kemerdekaan Indonesia memperkosa anak, memperkosa perempuan, membunuh bayi dan anak-anak bebas? Apakah Bu, ternyata orang Kristen yang menganggap laporan komisi yang diselidiki selama 2 tahun ini Bapak Ibu, kenapa butuh waktu 2 tahun? Karena banyak sekali yang harus
that have lack of GoPro or dashcam or CCTV evidence that show it masses like she always preach. Yet she alone also repetitively make video or post justified, normalize and defend the harassment, the strip men and underage boy got at Gaza, and also she justified, normalize and defend or dismiss the rape of man victim at prison by IDF or its dog, which were the footage evidence are well documented, like from the CCTV or from Israel TV itself discuss about it, that it exists. Not like evidence from Monique Risker side, where she only depend from the repetitive report by Israel government or its ally organization who make report about this. Independent organization are not welcome to make independent investigation. Her excuse of checking bomb when man and boy been stripped is biased, because female at Gaza also been checked for bomb, but woman got privacy. Only man and boy been stripped at public and recorded and spread. Mean IDF want to sexually harass man, even underage boy, because at that time they play a woman victim card, like somehow they are the hero who save Arab woman from Arab Muslim man who they frame evil pervert. Also, Monique Risker on her Fakta Israel video skip the footage of boy being stripped by IDF, right? Because if she put that on her video, it ruin her fake narration that all male must be Hamas. If you or she excuse like there is a footage of half naked topless woman, not naked, okay, just half naked topless on the truck, I would say it's still not the strong evidence to show that there is a rape that happened after that, because there's still other probability, let alone masses, right? Monique claim like thousands of women, okay, and that footage show none of it. I watch the Monique Risker videos about quote-unquote evidence of mass rape of 7, right? And the evidence show no footage at all, only the repetitive report by Israel government or its organization ally, right? what she show
Information, sexual violence including rape, sexualized torture, cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment has been committed against
Human Rights Watch.
what she skipped
that were reported were found to be unfounded.
In fact, I just want to add, there's a third one, Chloe, where there was an allegation that there were objects like knives inserted in the genitalia of a woman. I mean, like, the team reviewed the photos and we did not find anything like that. And I did mention, like, one of the challenges faced by the Israeli government, but which impacted our own work, was the fact that inaccurate, unreliable forensic conclusions were drawn by untrained volunteer first responders. And we give some examples. We give some examples in the report, such as interpreting an anal dilation as anal penetration, when, according to our forensic expert, we've extensive burn damage. This is what you get, anal dilation, and the position of the body as a result of severe burn damage, again interpreted as being sexual violence.
If I remember correctly, it's been a while since
She always show evidence from United Nations as it is a holy book if it is with her agenda. The moment it doesn't suit her agenda, she start cursing it and say that United Nations false and biased. While you don't need a ton of report, because if you want to know the evidence of Gaza man and boy being harassed or stripped or even raped, the footage, the confirmed footage exists on internet. Video interview of crying boy after he been stripped, or Israel TV talk about rape and sexual torture of Gaza men. Like, they discuss about, they support it, right? Footage of naked men with IDF dog at prison, right? And after this ton of confirmed footage evidence, Monique Risker, still have audacity to post or on her community post or make a video on YouTube that the confirmed footage is somehow just a lie. While preach us to believe rape of sevens, or else if you question the CCTV, where is the CCTV or GoPro that show there is a mass rape, you are somehow labeled as a evil rapish, apologized by her. She, on the video, crying, grieving with anger, right? Saying, oh, terrorist alone is evil, right? Let alone terrorist plus rapish. And asking, how can it be justified anymore? And crying.
Dilihat dari ribuan dokumen dan ratusan kesaksian. Bapak Ibu semua, teroris saja itu sudah jahat. Apalagi teroris seksual, terorisme seksual. Melakukan kekerasan dan teror, dan bentuk kekerasannya adalah memperkosa, memutilasi bagian organ tubuh korban yang masih hidup, yang tahu atau menyaksikan penderitaan para korban terorisme seksual itu, mencuri dan sejahtera, mencuri sukacita Bapak Ibu. Jadi laporan ini betul-betul menunjukkan kita ada dalam pihak yang benar ketika menolak kekerasan dan teroris yang dilakukan Hamas. Karena mereka sekedar membunuh, mereka sekedar membakar rumah, mereka sekedar menculik, menawan. Tapi ternyata ada terorisme seksual. Saya sedih Bapak Ibu. Ternyata ada orang Kristen yang menganggap laporan komisi yang diselidiki selama 2 tahun ini Bapak Ibu. Kenapa?
Well, the pro-Palestine only question where is the evidence, right? If there is a person who openly make video and post justified and defend and normalize the harassment and the rape that happened at war towards men at Gaza, it's you, Monique Risker, aka Fakta Israel. It's you alone, Monique Risker, who the one and only who make video and post at community post repetitively, justifying, normalize, dismiss the harassment, the sexual harassment, the strip of men and boy, the rape of men at IDF, of men victim at IDF prison. Not Hussein Gaza, even if I also dislike him, but not Hussein Gaza who you make video excuse, he defend rape of seven. No, it's not like that. He not even make a video. He just instantly do a quick response on the debate with you at live TV because you bring up about rape, right? And he said something like, "Where's the evidence?" or the evidence doesn't exist," which have a point because there is no footage, CCTV, dashcam, or GoPro on Israel technology, on country with good technology like Israel, right? That there is mass rape that you claim, right? The evidence only from repetitive report from the IDF government. Oh, and she said UN women also make a report, but UN women say they couldn't make independent investigation. Okay, they must depend on the report from IDF government or organization that ally with IDF. While it's you, Monique Risker, who obviously want to make one and already post video repetitively and post at community post on YouTube about how you proudly, shamelessly defend the strip of man and boy, defend the sexual torture or rape of man victim by IDF or IDF dog at Israel prison. Hypocrite. You cry when Rita Wahyu, your Christian friends, right, make an article, quote unquote, not believe rape of 7, right, claiming that Rita Wahyu deny rape, and you cry, and then start play victim as usual.
Yang fakta Israel sedih Bapak Ibu, ternyata orang Kristen yang menganggap laporan komisi yang diselidiki selama 2 tahun ini Bapak Ibu.
But Rita Wahyu said that she believes there is a rape, but that doesn't justify to revenge, to do crazy revenge, overdoses revenge like mass murder or genocide, right, or sex torture, which Rita Wahyu is 100% right. Because if we to do the more worse revenge, like we also barbaric, and you cannot deny that. But this Monique Risker, like crazy and fanatic and blind as she is, right, angry to Rita Wahyu because she wants the mass murder, the painful torture, even the sexual torture towards man, woman, boy and girl, right, without mercy, just because she blindly fanatic with quote-unquote Zionist, like everything on that side must be terrorist, no need investigation, deserve to be tortured. How evil you are, Monique Risker, Fakta Israel, for wanting overdoses revenge. And shame to Andre Tunggal for supporting her. As a Chinese, like I proud with how China can make so fast improvement and become number 2 strong country on military, right? But when I realized like cat and dog and other animal often been tortured at China because the lack of animal welfare education, and the people there start making a trend of torture of cat and dog. I not support that. I even openly critique that. You know, I'm not afraid or ashamed to critique like my own ancestor country. Okay, this I show you some evidence of what I do. Okay, to critique and push China to make law for animal welfare, not only cat and dog, even include like pig and duck and other farm animal, right? So not like Monique Risker, Fakta Israel and other pro-Zionists who just blindly on YouTube support or war crime that IDF did, if you say, shame on you, if Monique Risker say, oh, shame on you, I would say, shame on you too, Monique Risker. She make a post saying, IDF dog, the herder will not rape the man because IDF is Israel loves dog. They bring dog to mall when walking out. Therefore, impossible to use military dog to rape Gaza man. That kind of bullshit excuse that many Christian Zionists in here believe, right? Look, if IDF love dog, they will not use dog to be the first one who get painful bomb on the first place. They will not use dog. Okay, but because Monique Risker is a fake dog lover, right? She only loves Zionism. She only loves Israel. She doesn't care dog at all. Okay, but on that article she pretend that she loves dog, right? Just to make excuse, so that we believe that the sexual torture somehow doesn't exist. When there is the footage CCTV, there is Israel TV who make discussion of sexual torture towards men, Gaza men, and there is a footage of naked men with dog at IDF prison. If IDF truly love dog, they will not use dog as the first target who will die by enemy's bomb, a painful way, on the first place. The idea, IDF love dog because there is Israel who bring dog to the mall, is ludicrous. Okay, her excuse is ludicrous. But again, many Christians think she is super smart because use that kind of excuse without critical thinking. Right? The real dog lover will not use dog to be target of a bomb on first place. Yeah. And there is a footage of naked man with military dog at IDF prison. Right? It can be used. So New York Times journalists make investigation, and because it's not with Monique Risker agenda, who pro-Israel, she simply say, oh, it's just opinion, it's just a fake. Like, you are the one who normalize rape, okay? So don't preach people asking, oh, why you don't believe about rape of 7. This sound really hypocrite, Monique Risker. You twist the reality of the dog who being a victim of coward IDF. They die first by bomb, and then you twist it like somehow they love dog, and then frame the dog sufferness, right, for praising IDF. Shame on you, Monique Risker. Don't believe what Fakta Israel said, okay? She said, like, if pro-Palestine question the rape of 7, where is the evidence? Like, we are rape apologize, we are super evil because not only defend terrorists, but even terrorists plus rape. Right? Think about like female trauma, right? But then, and remember, there is no footage that show it's mass rape. But when till now, okay, but when there is a clear footage of men and boy being stripped or men being sexual torture at IDF prison, and there is a TV discussion at Israel about to sexual torture men, right? And there is a protest to support like rape for men at the prison of IDF. Like, she not acting like, oh, she don't know this is just an isolated incident, like Abu Janda did. Abu Janda, the pro-Zionist, is still beat more better because he act like he doesn't know this case, while it's Monique Risker who the only one shamelessly make a video and post repetitively justifying normalized defend the rape and sexual harassment that men and boy of Gaza get. Okay, and sadly many Christians love her. Another reason of mine is adrenaline. Like, I am an activist. I often do solo protests at public. I go to that place to speak up, and I know how nervous, anxiety you are on that situation. You got adrenaline, right? The same like when Hamas attacked on 7. They know, they understand in enemy territory, they not win yet, just come, right? They know IDF army will attack them back, right? Of course, in that adrenaline situation, nervous as any human being can face, they will not easily think about sex. Maybe 1 or 2 crazy people, maybe, but to say like, oh, it's masses of rape, like all the men think about sex at that adrenaline situation is impossible.
Monique Risker munafik, ceramah perkosaan 7 Oktober yang tidak ada CCTV-nya tapi mewajarkan penelanjangan laki dan anak laki oleh IDF. Cewek dicek dengan privacy, sementara cowok ditelanjangin di publik, melecehkan laki-laki.